who cook indomie and who cook beans may not be the same thing. You forget say na beans na sweet pass. Somebody buy beans, instead make you go tell her congratulations o, I tap to your grace, go say see am because you get money, you go buy beans. Guys, na good afternoon, na good morning, na good night, depending the time when you go see this video. I wan ask you, why e be say people go stay now, you come dey envy person, so they use your life to compare another person life. You go dey say this person don do well pass me. You forget say who cook indomie and who cook beans may not be the same thing. Not be the same food you put for fire. Indomie now, kpak, you go done. You fit even say you wan go carry orishirishi come ajo. Na, e don still done. Who cook beans? I want it done in 30 minutes. Before you go come filter first water away. Before you come put am again, come begin to add your mede, make it for taste sweet. I no understand. And you forget say na beans na whole body pass indomie, and na beans na go see tay before e finish, and na beans na still sweet pass the indomie wey you dey cook. You forget say beans dey sweet normally. Forget o, na you no sabi cook beans. If you sabi cook beans, you know say beans dey sweet. Some people don dey find maybe who sabi cook beans, you don sabi. Now somebody buy beans, instead make you go tell her congratulations o, I tap to your grace, go say see am because you get money, you go buy beans. They say because you get money, don't go buy beans. You don't go happy for who they happy. Your mind don dey judge you. Hey, you don buy beans, so the next one you want to do, you don begin dey gather isusu, you wan go buy beans. I don't understand. You forget say 10 years ago when people they build that, some people not still build. Now person I buy the one with the build. And the day when your day break, now your time come. I beg, not mind my background, not mind the noise. My son don't come back from school. That's why everywhere be like say it kind of off. Now the same thing I see they talk. You go buy person, you go buy a fridge. Now we did the same board, you buy fridge, your eye don't tumble. You could buy a washing machine. Why don't tumble? before they say sew your coat according to your size. No, you don't they sew your size, come off for cloth where you get. If you not get today, not mean say you no go get tomorrow. This life, stage by stage, it go reach your hand, it go reach my hand. It depends the time we be say we take get them. So people God all day they say early stage of their life, they go just get blessings, they go. Some now afternoon of their life they take it. Some na evening of their life they will take it. You wake God all day for afternoon, you go dey find money. Abi you wake God all day for evening, you go dey find afternoon. Life no work like that. Try you appreciate people so that people go appreciate you. Nah. You don't envy 100 persons now. If you reach your turn, who won't come follow you rejoice? When they try to change you, this life now only one. It's sweet past what you they think say it be.